Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by clearing a short, focused window of time, make it 10-20 minutes. Set a clear intent, one sentence that asks a specific future question, and say it aloud. Once done, ground with 3 slow breaths and use a timer so you don't watch the clock. Then, close your eyes and shift attention inward. Don't chase images. Instead, note sensations, colors, or single words and be ready to write them down immediately when you open your eyes. Once you have initial impressions, deepen the work by combining waking practice with sleep incubation. Write your question on paper and place it bedside. When images appear, sketch simple symbols and tag them with emotion and context so patterns emerge. Make lists of recurring motifs and test them. Over the next 30 days, map any overlaps with real events. This helps you learn the language of your visions and separate intuition from wishful thinking. Keep careful records for comparison. You finish by translating reliable motifs into practical next steps. If a symbol consistently signals a decision, draft an action plan with clear criteria. Continue the cycle weekly and refine your intent phrasing and session timing as accuracy improves. Make sure to cross-check visions against external information before major choices. If you feel confused or overwhelmed, stop and shorten sessions to 5 minutes, reground with breathing, and review your notes calmly. This troubleshooting step prevents burnout.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.